Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from group 5. We're gonna present code mixing in Cinta Laura and Bowie Williams conversation with analyzing the discourse analysis based on the topic of sociolinguistic study. The 5 group have 7 members. The first is Nur Fadilah, Bismawati, Muftihatur Rahmah, Muhammad Faisal, Mulyana Rahman, Muslimah Kurniadi, Syahrullah. The first speaker is Muslimah Kurniadi. The screen is yours.
Okay, I'm Muslimah Kurniadi. Will presentate the first point is about background and case. Discourse is verbal or written communication between people that goes beyond a single sentence. Discourse is more than just language. It can include all forms of linguistic and symbolic units, and language studies can focus on the individual meaning of words. Next slide. In the phenomenon of sociolinguistics, there are many people can understand 2 or more languages. It is referred to as bilingual and multilingual. During their speaking, sometimes they use code mixing as an effect of their bilingualism. This phenomenon has become commonplace among the community. One of the YouTube channel is Boy Williams channel, who provides many videos as means of entertainment, information, and education. One of his YouTube channel content is with his friends, Cinta Laura Kills, entitled Galeda isi lemari, di dalamnya tas branded semua. Both of them are artists who are known to have excellent bilingual skills. In their conversation, there are many interesting code mixing for us to discuss as part of sociolinguistic analysis. We choose this object because they observe that code mixing has now become a trend or style of speech on social media, notably YouTube. As many Indonesians utilize more than one language to communicate. Furthermore, we will identify the types of code mixing that appear in their conversation and the percentage of use of each type of code mixing in the video, as well as the level of mixing they use.
Underlying theory, sociolinguistics is related to the relationship between society and language, which aims to understand the structure of language and how language function in communication. Sociolinguistics is study about the humans' everyday lives and how language uses in the conversation. Bilingualism is an individual will be able to use two language in interaction to each other. Code mixing is the change of the language during interaction within the same expression or in the equal of spoken or writing text. In human interaction with each other, they usually draw on distinction code in different condition.
Okay, next speaker, please.
So in analyzing, thank you. So in analyzing this topic, we use two theorem from Hoffman and also from Soweto. The first one is from Hoffman. There are 3 types of code mixing based on the semantical pattern. The first one is intrasentential code mixing. The second is intralexical code mixing. And the third is involving a chance of pronunciation. For the intrasentential code mixing, the meaning of intrasentential here is the appearance of the phrase, clause, and also a sentence boundary in conventional, both oral and written. For instance, Indonesian and English. The second is intralexical code mixing. The intralexical code mixing in conversation when the speaker attach a word boundary in their utterance, for example, Indonesian and English. And the last is involving a chance of pronunciation. This type of code mixing that occurs at the phonological level, it means that when Indonesian people speak in English, the word that they say is modified to Indonesian phonological structure. In the next slide, we talk about Soweto theories. According to Soweto's theories, there are differentiation level of code mixing in the form of word, phrase, gesture, repetition, idioms, and clause. The first is word level. Word is the smallest unit within language that consists of morpheme or more than a morpheme. The second is phrase level. In the phrase level, a group of words that does not have subject or verb. The third is Buster level. Buster is a combination of 2 elements and create one meaning. The Buster from basically from English, and the word is English get edition of Indonesian affixation. The fourth is repetition, word level. Repetition here means that word form because of word reduplication. And the 5 is idiom level. Idiom is a group of words that has its own meaning. And the last is clause level. Clause is a group of words that has subject and verb but smaller than a sentence.
Okay, next speaker will discuss about data analysis and the discussion. The screen is yours.
Okay, I will continue the material, and we will talk about the data analysis. The method that used in this research is documentation, and the type of research that we use is qualitative research. And there are some stage the researcher carry. The first is searching the YouTube and open the video. The second is downloading the video. The third is noting some transcripts that will be analyzed in the video. The fourth is selecting the Indonesian English code mixing by reading their copies of several conversational transcripts. And the last is classifying the data based on the type and level of code mixing. Okay. In this study, many techniques were employed to explore the data. The first is to begin, the researcher look at the mixing codes, kind, and intensity. The second, the researcher create a table to classify each type and level of code mix that appear on the video. The third is the researcher create a table to classify each type and level of code mix that appear in the video. And the research found the Sudijono formula and find the percentage of the code mixing that appear in this video. The fourth is after this research drew their conclusion, and the last is the researcher addressed the several code mixing strategies that arise in the video. Okay, for the discussion, there are some types of code mixing. The first is intra-sentential of code mixing. Okay, for our discussion, I have one example for intra-sentential of code mixing. The example is biasanya aku di sini tiap pagi karena aku kalau breakfast aku pasti makannya di sini sendiri. Usually I'm here every morning because if I have breakfast, I'll definitely eat it here myself. The example sentence shows the use of intra-sentential code mixing because there is the word breakfast in the sentence. She insert English verb without changing the sentence structure of Indonesian. There is a single word breakfast, so we call it intra-sentential of code mixing. And the next is intra-lexical of code mixing. The example is kamu sudah nge-save nomor aku di ingatan kamu. You have saved my number in your memory. The insertion of Indonesian prefixes was found when the speaker used action in active form. The Indonesian prefix nge in the example combined with English verb indicate active sentence where the subject of the sentence is the one who is doing an action. For example, nge-save means to save. The example met the agreement in Indonesian grammar, although the sentence was mixed. And the last is involving a change pronunciation. But for this video, we couldn't find the example of involving a change pronunciation.
Is this material for next speaker, level of code mixing? Or still your material, Mulyana? Halo,
Well,
teacher? Okay.
yes.
Muhammad Faisal will explain this level of code mixing, finding of the data. Faisal,
Thank you for the chance. In the level of code mixing, our study used Sweeto's theory, which consists of 6 elements. There were a word level, phrase level, sentence level, cluster level, reduplication level, and items level. In table 2, finding the data in the level of code mixing, in the first is word level. There was 18 frequencies in 27.96%, and next is phrase level. There was 30 frequencies in 46.15%. In closed level, there was 15 frequencies in 23.8%. And next, in master level, there was 2 frequencies in 3.8%, and also in reduplication level and items level, there is no frequency and percentage. From the result of the analysis using Sweeto's theory. In grouping the levels of code mixing, and after calculating the percentage with using the formula proposed by Sugino, our group concludes that the most level of code mixing that occur in videos are praise level in 30 data, word level in 18 data, and close level in 15 data, and master level in 2 data. And the lowest was reduplication and idence level because our group didn't find the data shown. Next. Yeah. In the word level, for example, in the sentence of in the video, holiday di tempat-tempat yang indah. In holiday in a beautiful place. In this example, we can identify the English verbs holiday used in the sentence. The next, praise level. Kamar aku kecil banget, mungkin cuma segini dorm room aku. My room is really small. Maybe my dorm room was just like this. In this example, we can identify the English phrase dorm room used in the sentence. Next is closed level. Jadi mungkin makanya sampai sekarang aku udah dewasa pun, I still maintain those values. So maybe that's why until now I'm an adult and I still maintain those values. In this example, we can identify the English clause. I still maintain those values. So use in the sentence. Next one is master level. Kamu sudah nge-save nomor aku di ingatan kamu. You have saved my number in your memory. In this example, we can identify the hybrid word nge-save used in the sentence, and there is no on application level in idioms level in this in the video. So I think that's all for me. Back to moderator.
Thank you so much, Faisal. Come to the last topic is the conclusion. Will explain by Jusmawati. Can you give conclusion about our discourse analysis, what that we have been explained today? Jusmawati, are you there?
The Zoom is yours.
Okay, thanks to the moderator. I would like to explain about the conclusion. We determine that Cinta Laura and Boy Williams' conversation contains some code mixing. The types of code mixing that occur in videos are intra-essential of code mixing 63 data. The second type is intralexical from code mixing 2 data and 0 data for involving a change of pronunciation. The levels of code mixing that occur in videos are process level 30 data, word level 18 data, process level 15 data, master level 2 data, and 0 data for the repetition and idiom level. That's all about the conclusion. I give it back to the moderator.
Thank you, Yusma. A wonderful explanation. Okay, after all the speakers or participants present the topic, so we come to the end of this discussion or this presentation. Thank you very much.
Good night. So,